I'm going to show you the lesson that made me go from a rookie to one of the top AI automation developers, and it's way easier than what you'd expect. My name's Love. I'm an 18-year-old from Sweden that's been into AI for almost a year and a half now. My journey started when building chatbots with Botpress, and since I first started, I've both been starting my own YouTube channel where I'm transparently showing you guys my journey through AI, as well as launching my own agency, Engage Growth, that automates repetitive tasks in order to make business owners free up their time so that they can focus on what's really important, scaling their own business. I have been building countless of solutions for businesses and for my personal use, ranging from basic customer support chatbot that can answer questions, to lead generation and verification systems, to full-on process automations using software such as Make.com, OpenAI, Botpress, and everything in between. But this one lesson that I'm going to share with you all today have helped me gone from a complete noob when I was beginning 1.5 years ago to where I'm at today. As I said, one of the best AI automation developers there is. The lesson that I'm talking about is actually going to be something that I see a lot of you guys doing wrong, and that is not sticking to a single program. So here's the deal. Especially with chatbot development, I see a lot of people switching from one program to another. Sometimes some guy comes on and say, "Oh, VoiceFlow just did this," and everyone switches to VoiceFlow, and then someone switched back to Botpress, and then everyone goes back to Botpress and can't decide, and then ManyChat releases a new update. So, oh well, we gotta go to ManyChat because that platform is the best right now. But no, I never did that. I started with Botpress, I learned Botpress, then I tried VoiceFlow. I have never even tried ManyChat, honestly. So I tried VoiceFlow out, I tried Botpress out. I chose to stick with Botpress, and yeah, ever since that day, like a year ago, I've been full on heads down, just crushing it with Botpress. And now I've come so far that I've done things that no one could have imagined. I did my own Shopify integration. I've done one of the most complex bots that I've ever seen. I have multiple clients. I have helped people from all across the world with building out their solutions and their chatbots to solve their problems. By focusing on one single platform, my expertise within that single platform has gone up significantly. If I instead were to switch between platforms, I would have become a mediocre user of both platforms. But now I'm an expert in Botpress. So what happens when I'm an expert in this is that, one, I am very time efficient. I know where everything is, and I've done almost everything. So when I essentially will develop a new bot, I've already done all of these functionalities that I want in this one bot. And so yeah, I can just handpick from all of my different projects. Oh, I want this Q&A part to go in here, and I want this table in here, and I also want to integrate the booking from this bot, and I put all of those pieces together, and I have a fully functioning bot that is performing well miles better than the competition's bot. And also, secondly, I have all of my tricks up my sleeve. As I said earlier, I've created custom integrations, integrated Botpress with many other programs. I've also made completely dynamic bots where you just get information from a cloud service such as AWS, and then you will get asked a quiz for you with just a few nodes, and you can have hundreds of questions, or you can have 10 questions, all of that using the same nodes, because I know how to use this software to its fullest potential. And that is what you can learn as well if you were to just stick with one platform and not change. Just stick and put your mind into it. But what I often say is that what you can do in one platform, you can do with another, and you can do that with a third. So it doesn't really matter which platform you choose. If I were to do something on Botpress, I know that someone that's equally as good as how I am at Botpress or at VoiceFlow will be able to do the exact same thing. And that's true with the other bot builders as well. So it doesn't really matter which platform you choose. I chose Botpress because that's the one that I first started with, and I didn't want to learn something new, so I stick with Botpress, and now I'm a top 1% bot builder in Botpress. So to sum things up, my most important lesson is to choose one platform and stick to it and absolutely master it. I'm not someone to believe in those catchy sales hook or those clickbait video titles. I want my expertise to speak for itself. If I create the best product out there, I know that customers will come to me just by me existing. And if I produce the best content, people will come to my YouTube channel because I have the best content. Not because I have the best thumbnail, but my video content is trash. That's not who I want to be. What I advise you guys to do is really take a day or two just to reflect. What do you want to do? Which software do you want to learn? And how will you proceed with your development journey in order to become the best you can be? And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Join my Discord server where you can ask me and I can help you on your way to becoming the best bot builder or AI automation developer in general that you can ever be. If you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and like the video so other bot builders can find this video and get help from me. Until next time, I wish you all happy the rest of your day and take care.